I am so freaking mad right now. I just shot this video, which I'm redoing right now. I thought, well, it was recording, but it was facing the front camera, so all you would see is the grass and not me. So, let's see. Well, today was a good day at school like usually. Y'all already know that, but I've been sick. I'm eating a cough drop right now because I have a sore throat. Excuse me. I almost choked on a cough drop. I don't know why. All I did was sit down. But I can't believe that just happened. But yeah, I haven't been filming nothing really because first off, I got my phone taken away. So I couldn't film when we went down to LA. So yeah, that's that story. And second of all, I haven't been doing nothing. I have to find something to do. Like, maybe if we go to the beach, well, when we go to the beach, I'm going to film because I need something for my channel. Because this right here, I know y'all getting bored of this in the backyard, the bathroom, all that stuff. But, yeah. So, what I'm going to do now is feed the turtle. Woo! Yeah. So, see you. And I'm back. And I'm out here with the turtle, so I'm going to be looking at the ground because I got to watch him because he blends in with the grass. Maybe you can see him right here, right there. Yeah, so I fed him. He's outside now. But, yeah, that's probably it for today. Gonna go inside, do homework, and that stuff. Ooh, the ice cream truck is coming. Turns out that I did get ice cream. I got the Pink Panther. Cause first I was gonna get it, but my mom came down. So we got ice cream, ice cream. So always remember, guys, hit that like button, comment down below, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.